Some sabjis immediately bring on ghar wali yaad. Aloo Baingan is definitely one of them. Let's make it today in the new Philips OneChef. Press the power button, select curry mode, followed by Veg Preset and press start. Add oil to the cooking pot. Add jeera, chopped ginger and garlic and saute for a minute. Add onion, green chilies and cook for 2 minutes until the onions are translucent. Now add haldi, degi red chili powder, coriander powder, tomatoes, potatoes and water and cook for 7 more minutes. Now add the brinjal, garam masala, salt to taste, mix well and cook for 10 minutes. Finish it off with fresh coriander leaves. Transfer to a serving dish and garnish with ginger julienne. Serve hot with roti. देखा? Simple, सीधी सादी, but सबसे ज़्यादा दिल जीतने वाली. Made with love in the new Philips OneChef. It's all you need.